Morning, guys. Welcome to your daily inspiration. I hope you could find some time for yourself per yesterday's cards. Today, new worlds. There are many more things for you to discover, so don't give up. There are many more things for you to discover, so don't give up. Never give up. More adventures. Embrace the unknown with curiosity, letting each journey shape your path and wisdom. I do believe we are here to experience things, so the more we experience, the more successful our lives is, and it can be small things. And then love. Love is everywhere. Open your heart to feel it. Love is everywhere. Open your heart to feel it. Isn't that a beautiful card? Okay, guys, that is what I have for you today. Enjoy your day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.